Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about putting the first pink value or peach value down, and some of them are actually going to go over the gray value. So take a look at this and then I'll be back with you.
And this comes right down the outside edge of this petal. It's very soft, very delicate. Alright, now I'm going to drop down in size of brush to a, let's see what I can find here, close at hand. Got a number 4, and that should be good. Need to get my baby cloth ready. There we go. And I just cleaned out my brush. I always like to make sure I don't have any other color in there when I'm doing this. And wipe off my ferrule. Lay the color down. This is just our first peachy area, the lightest value. So you want to lay it down right where you want the most of this value to be. Now this does go right over that shadow. It's almost got a blue-gray effect to it. So we got that laid in. And again, it does come all the way down this edge. Right down like that. And we're going to be adding, always want to bring your brush to a point when you reload, adding more values on top of this, but I want this to come over that gray just a little bit. Doesn't have to be excessive, but that's such a pretty color, isn't it? Love that.
Okay, welcome back. What we're going to do now is I'm going to paint that front petal so you can see me do that front petal there, because that's pretty important to this rose to get the right idea. So go ahead and watch this.
And this is dry enough now that it's not going to cause a problem at all. Not a lot of pink in that area anyway. Now there's some shadows and things in here, but that'll be the darker colors that we use. The darker for the shadow pinks. Okay. Just making sure it's all covered with water where I want it. Well, the darkest pink is going to be up here. Right in that area. Comes down that edge, but there's a nice little streak right there I want to make sure that we get. And again, this is our lightest value, so the other ones are going to go on top of this. I'm just reloading my brush, making sure it comes to a point so I can get up right to that edge of that paper. Some of this does come down like that. And I'm just going to soften this down. The way that petal grows.
And then I'll be back with you.